Raphael Signs, a specialist in designing, printing, signage, or vehicle branding, 3D signage and window branding, indoor and outdoor signs. For all your banner designs and print, contact us for a free quotation on the numbers on your screen, or email or visit us at 91 Livingstone, Corner 8th Street in Harare. Raphael Signs, our portfolio speaks for itself.
What are these people scribe? Are they gangsters? Are they drug lords? Are they thieves? Or they are just ordinary Zimbabweans who have decided to sit down and map a way for the future of the country, for the future of their children? What's happening, what you're seeing now, like in this country, it's quickly turning back into a pariah state, like what you saw during another regime which was said to be surrounded by thieves, you know. People can't do anything freely now in this country. Whatever they do is monitored by the police, who I'm afraid they are now fast becoming party activists. This judgment is nothing but political. It is 100% political. You saw the way people were actually being treated. One of those persons who actually poked at the back by these Riot police officers. The very same people that were supposed to protect me are the ones that are beating me up now. So I don't know where exactly we are going as a nation, but what I'm praying for is for justice. These people, they are not supposed to be locked inside. These people, they are not supposed to be incarcerated. As you're speaking, they're supposed to be outside.
There was heavy police presence at the Harare Magistrates Court, where bail for the 78 Citizens Coalition members was denied. The masses were angry, demanding that the 78 Citizens Coalition for Change members be released, but the peaceful demonstration was dispersed. Even the lawyers representing the accused person was also barred from addressing the media.
What did you say he said?
Said here for justice. What happened? For people who exercise political rights provided for by the Constitution, it said that the court would find that that everyone is innocent until they are proven guilty. So it is established that a court of law would make a finding that people who had gathered in a private residence for a private meeting have the propensity of causing public disorder should they be released. And this is the reasoning of the court. We don't agree with it. It's a weird, bizarre reason. It's only a perpetuation of the human rights abuses in this country. It's a perpetuation of the abuses that the regime makes on the opposition movement in this country. So it's very sad. It's very sad.
So what's the way forward?
Of because we don't agree, you know, we are definitely going to take up this issue to the High Court and appeal the decision of the court. We disagree with the entire reasoning presented by the court today, and we are going to ensure that we further litigate to enforce the rights of our incarcerated cadres. Let's move. Kutshwa ejele bazabaleka sibili ungacabanga ukuthi abantu abaningi kanjalo bengabaleka eZimbabwe sesaba ukuthi bazabanjwa liqala abangazevele balenze. So thina sizathatha indaba lesihambe eHigh Court siyo-challenge sifane i-appeal yethu ye-bail. Yikho kwenzakala lapha. You see what happens? You see what happens? Tichapiwa mutongo panyaya yemari yechibatiso bail kune avo vose vakasungwa vanosanganisira vatimba nevamwe 78 vari muchizarira. Ndofunga sokuona kwamaita mazariro akaita mapurisa pano tichitotanga kusvika tatanga kutorohwa nehana kuti sei mapurisa achizara padare. Saka dare rabva raramba kupa bail kuvanhu vedu vakasungwa rikati hanzi nyaya yavari kupiwa
vana vedu vakabatwa panzvimbo yavo ita zvavanenge vachirunga. Saka nhasi uno vananga vachibuda zvanzi kwete vasi kubuda nemhaka ye vakaparei vonzi vana havana mhosva. Saka munovachengetereiko kwamuri ikoko iye zvino zvinguva yechando vane havana zvinodziya zvinhu kuti netsese vabereki chiona vana vasipo saizvozvi. Vana ngavauye kana uri mutongo upo mutongo wachibvira kumba hatisi kuzviramba isisu nokuti imi ndimoziva kuti watidza chakati topa mutongo wakati wati chakati mutongo wakati. Saka takakumbira kuti vana vedu chitipewo vana vedu.
Zvinorwadza vana vedu, zvinorwadza vakabatwa vangashukurudzwa zvakanyanya. Vamwe vacho vakachoka makumbo, vamwe vakashuka maoko, vamwe menze dzakazvimba idzi, vamwe vechizi pfugamai murodhi muchikambaira murodhi vechisuka zvese izvi pedze ipopo vakuaisa kuchikurupi. Azvokuti mhosva dzavo vakatanga kumusi wechipiri chatanga musi wa17 havana kuvanga vari kumasales, 16 kumasales, 17 kumasales, 18 ndo pakazotanga kuuya kuno kukoti. Wauya kuno kukoti jaji wacho angati ari kurwara nemudumba hapana kana chakaitwa ipapo ndobva adzoswa kumba. Chitatu ndobva auya futi wazotsvaga zveWitness angabva ashayika havana ndobva adzoswa futi apa anga akuchikurupi. Vakomana vari kurimind paprison apa kurimind. Saka naizvozvo zvinotirwadza nokuti hakuna kana chimwe chete inoti titokwanisa kana kuonana nawo.
Makomborero Chita. Yes, so there are 3 adults in custody at Harare Central. That is 2 ladies and 1 gentleman. They were arrested at Rotten Road this morning or afternoon actually. They're being charged with contravention of Section 37 of the Criminal Law and Codification Act, that is participating in a gathering. So at the moment, that's the information that we have.